Hi friends, welcome to Guru Maths Theory Lectures. Problems we have already covered in this app. Kindly download this app to get these problems, tough as well as simple ones, and these theory lectures. They are useful for CBSE, ICSE and various state boards across India and outside India as well. So let's start. Today's topic is arithmetic progression. Before going to the definitions and everything, just simple logic remember. If you go on adding the same number and then start writing the answers, then what you get is the AP. For example, see this 1, then add 2, it becomes 3, then add 2, 5, then add 2, 7, 9, blah 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 up to n. N means it is not defined as n. Means there is no definition. It can be infinity. So our problem, the point in this chapter is find these infinite values, or get some rule, get some formula to find, so that you can find any number in any sequence. Okay, that is the basic topic or basic objective of this chapter. So let's come to the definitions now. Firstly, what is a sequence? A sequence is an arrangement of numbers in definite order and according to some rule. Means what? In definite order. Definite order means if you go on adding 2, then go on adding 2 everywhere. That's called as a definite order. It shouldn't be you add 1 plus 2, then 3 plus some 10, then remaining number plus 15, whatever. You should go on adding the same number. So definite order. Now same number only, it's not the thing. It can be I add 2 first, then I add 4, then I add 6, then I add 8. Then also it's a definite order because there is a proper sequence. Okay, so that is known as a sequence. Okay, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are which are successive items is 2 greater than the preceding term. That's okay, that's you understood. Similarly over here, see here 1, 4, 3 added, 4 to 9, 5 added, see here 3, then 5, then 7. See here, there is also again a definite order. So this is also known as a sequence. That's what we said earlier. Terms. The various numbers occurring in a sequence are called as terms. Means what? These 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these numbers are called as terms. Since the order of a sequence is fixed, therefore the terms are known by the position they occupy in the sequence. Means what? See here. Suppose this is 1. So we know that 1 comes in the first as a first term only. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So you know if you go on adding 2, 2, 2, 2, then you will get these numbers. So if I say if I add 2 times, then what number will I get? 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So what I can say is 5 will be the third number in the sequence, right? Because I know 2 is the common difference, right? So that's why this is known as term, and that is the meaning of this sentence. The order of sequence is fixed, therefore the terms are known by the position they occupy. Okay, means 5 occupies third position, 7 occupies fourth position. Now let's come to AP definition, arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a special case of a sequence where the difference between the term and its preceding term is always constant, right? First definition, remember what did I say? It was same number is added. So that is the meaning. Difference between the term and its preceding term is constant. Term and its preceding term, 3 and 1, difference is 2. 5 and 3, difference is 2. 7 and 5, difference is 2, right? Is always constant, and this constant is known as a common difference, right? That is denoted as small d. The arithmetic progression is abbreviated as AP, short form AP. Okay, so how can I write an AP? A, first term is A, then common difference is D, so A plus D, then third term is A plus 2D, right? Getting it? See here, 1, then not 1, it's example, 1 is not correct number over here. 9, then 11, then 13. See here, 9 plus D. D is what? 2 over here. 9 plus 2 is 11. Then 2D, 9 plus 2 into 2, 4, that is 13, that is the third term, right? See here over here, right? Forget this 1 in this 1 is of no use. So the common difference is 2, hence it is an AP. So in an AP, with the first term as A and common difference is D, then the nth term means you don't know the term. Nth term is given as An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? N minus 1 into D. It means what? Instead of n, if I write 3, then A3, third term is A plus 3 minus 1, that is 2 into D. So A plus 2D, right? If I want the second term, A2 equals to A plus 2 minus 1, that is 1 into D. See here. So similarly, if you want the fourth term, A4 equals to A plus 4 minus 1, that is 3D. So that will be A plus 3D. Now the important part, addition of the numbers, means if I see here, if this is a sequence 9, 11, 13 and I want the addition of first three numbers, then what will be it? 9 plus 11 plus 13. Okay. Now I can do it manually because there are 3 terms. But if there are 50 terms and I want the answer of 50 additions with 9 as a first term, then how will I do it? So the formula for that is Sn equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, bracket close. Remember this formula correctly. Okay. This is wrong. N upon 2 into a plus 1. This is not the right answer. Okay. So n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now this can also be written as, see here, 2a you can write it as a plus a, right? So what happens? A plus n minus 1 into d. But what is a plus n minus 1 into d? An. So you can also write Sn as Sn equals to n upon 2 into bracket a plus an, right? It should be a plus an. So here it should be a plus an, right? So sum can be written as n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n upon 2 into bracket a plus an. Both mean one and the same thing, where 1 is the last term of the finite AP. Okay, that is okay. You don't consider this. So remember this formula very correctly. If A, B and C are in AP, then B equals to A plus C upon 2, and B is called the arithmetic mean of A and C. Can you see this? Does this happen? Let's see. See this, 1, 3, 5 are in arithmetic progression. Then is it that B equals to A plus C upon 2, 3 equals to 5 plus 1 upon 2? Is it true? 5 plus 1 is 6, upon 2 is 3. So it's true, right? So in an AP, always the middle term is the average of the first term and the last term. Okay? If there are only 3 numbers, that's important. If you extend this rule to 5 numbers, then what happens? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Okay, so 5 will always be an average of the addition of these two, 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9. Same as the first thing which we did. We did it for 3 numbers. Now you can go for 5 also, then 7 also. Go for odd numbers only. Okay. So that was a theory on arithmetic progression. You can download this Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get the videos, video lectures, question banks with explanations, tests directly on your mobile. These video lectures contain theory as well as problems solved. Problems include simple as well as tougher ones. Both these theory and problems are useful for CBSE, ICSE and various state boards. You can follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, you can get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.